Nantucket is a beautiful island. It's why so many people come from far and wide to spend time here. Now we're about to show you some of the most incredible properties this island has to offer. Looking for a new construction in downtown Nantucket? This 7-bed, 7.5 bath property is perfect for you. Let's go take a look at Morning Dew. This open concept living is an entertainer's dream. With this kitchen that flows out to your deck, your living room, dining room, first floor master suite, 4 bedrooms on the top floor, 2 in the basement, what's not to love? Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, your outdoor-indoor plunge pool spa. I'm Jonathan Russell with Columbus & Over Group. Reach out to me for more information.